Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Cabo Scorch 0. I'm joined by Killer Wale Kosi.
Awe Sibo.
Yeah, sure.
Sibo abantu abanengi bajwayele ukuthi kune tears of joy. But lento yenzeke kimi Vandag eyingimangaze kakhulu, ngimangaze too much. Yazi kuyini Kaizer Chiefs ngakwada.
What?
Yo. The way bedlala ngakhona, bedlala mnandi. Yawina ngakwada. Nga understand ukuthi khona tears of joy. So manje le yenzeke kimi Vandag is squatting of joy.
Quart of joy.
Quite of joy. Angry of joy. Yes, it's the new thing for angry of joy.
You're a visionary.
You know what? I have an angry of joy today.
That's innovative.
Because of other guy is supporting Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
I drive that guy from Mpumalanga to Johannesburg.
Yes.
On the way, this guy, on the way, is talking shit
About Chiefs.
They said he's coming to the funeral.
La?
Ikabanga umuntu athi kimi angeke azayobukela ibhola eOrlando.
Yeah.
Ngoba eOrlando kusephathini.
Yeah.
Yena uzoze la azoduduza bomakhelwane.
Usho kanjalo Redman.
Uwagwinyile amagama akhe wasaphuma.
Leyo ndaba.
Hey dot, so lokho angishumayela la endleleni athi akwazeki ukuthi ngizaba nginganazwelo uma ngasuka mina ngeOrlando ngiyosupporta ibhakaniye ekubeni abomakhelwane bayakhala.
Yes. It's not right.
Yazi amagama angidla indlela yonke Sithibo. Ngibhizi ngismile kanti lamagama ayangidla Sithibo. You understand? Ayangiceda lamagama mfethu. Angidla ngaphakathi mfethu, inside mfethu. Ngiyamdrive and uhlale la eceleni.
Yeah.
Hey ngiyambheka ngithi mara lo muntu lona kahle wenzani.
Umshangisi
Ene makaceda lapho uhlala umathanda futhi. Uyangigwara uhlala amathanda ujika obhekile. Abina ujika obhekile. Ngize ngimbuza ngithi kahle wena. Ngize ngiyambuza ngithi kahle wena dodi kumnandi udrivelwa ne? Uthi hayi kumnandi thi. Woza la. Awaphinde lamagama akho bowasho.
before the game.
Before igame iqala.
Yeah, no, I'm happy Killer for wena Abraham. That is why you know what Killer? That is why ngisacrifice ukuye ephathini.
Yeah.
Ngathi no, awukwazi. Sithibo, awukwazi Abraham ne.
Yeah.
Kuyakhalwa kwamakhelwane when uye ephathini. No, it doesn't work like that. Really, it doesn't.
Yeah.
That is why it is a Killer ngihamba nawe mfethu. I just want to be there for you, bro.
Man.
Well done, guys.
Maria Polo udelela kanjani?
Consolation. Ngisacrifice injabulo yami for wena. Just to support you guys.
But bazowini CAF.
Eish, asipanike ni chance.
Uyasho.
Ngiyaka sibagayeni bafo.
Uyabona uyabona Sibo lo muntu yadelela. Lo muntu yadelela.
Angiyamuzwa.
Yeah, but anyway. Uyabona Sibo ngiyaqala mina ukubona abantu abachoma ngento engekho.
Sure.
Namuhla bawine 7, bathi bawine 7.
Yes.
Ngoba namuhla bashaya 4 goals. You understand? Baphinda bashaya 3 le eBlom.
Yeah.
Ene lana sidlala away and home.
Yes.
Bona badlale home. Abanayo away.
Yeah, Marava.
Yes, abanayo away. Home. Badlale eBlom. Le team le Lesotho.
Yeah.
Uthi izoyishaya kanjani iPirate incenga ukuthi izothola istadium la eSouth Africa. Izonikela vele.
Marukhuluma iva.
Usakhumbula bathe sidlalisa umuntu kuphi wara. Ngoba bona abancane bathi thina ngeke sesivule icase.
Yeah.
Bathi squad sidlalise uLentuzana ubani konje umkwela uyanganasena sidlala neLesotho bathi bona no thina sivula icase ngoba vele basincengile la ekhaya
bancengele
istadium uthi woshaya njani iPirate uthi Bloemfontein uncengisiwe uqasha istadium uqasha ama Lentuzana
home ground Pirates
uyanganasena
Orlando Stadium
lalela bathi i-home ground ye-Orlando uqinisile buya la Ntshebe
Ntshebe ungambaleki
ukhuluma iqiniso nge-English bathi you speak truth.
Yes.
Ukhuluma iqiniso i-home ground ye-Pirates Orlando Stadium. I-Pirates yakuphi yase South Africa noma yase Lesotho noma yase Mozambique noma yakuphi
yasemzansi
kuphi eMzansi lalela ke mangabe ilentuzana Orlando Pirates asemzansi bese iBloemfontein yakuphi ubani beka semzini between iPirates nale yini nale Lesotho lebe udlala nayo
no not away
mara ndoda awutshela uyabona ndoda
ilisuthu South Africa next door
bazathi ama-Chiefs ayagula ne ngenxa yalomjida ngalento ayiphuzile yabona uyanganisena Sibo nginokuhlala ngitshela abantu ngithi umuntu osuke eLesotho eze South Africa uyi-foreigner njengomuntu osuke eMozambique eze South Africa lalela iLesotho ayikho eSouth Africa i-country eSouth Africa iyi-one uyanganisena uyabona Sibo ne mangakuvula imbobo kayi uyanganisena ngisusa amathumbu lawo ngisuse ngapha kube nembobo nje ephumela ngayo mangiceda ngithatha idrum ngiyibeke la phakathi bese ngifaka abantu lapha bayekho kuSithibo uyanganisena mabaphuma la kuSithibo mele bajampele eDrom uyanganisena so ite way iLesotho lingakhona iLesotho is around South Africa like South Africa but ayikho South Africa uyanganisena so ngifuna ukuthi angabhemi kakhulu bese azokhuluma udodi la ekhaya ubheme kakhulu namuhla songikhulumela ezinye uthi iLesotho yase South Africa. How many countries in South Africa?
2. There is one
Again, South Africa. How many countries in South Africa?
Sibo, South Africa is only country that inside in South Africa.
South Africa is the only
Lesotho is only country that inside in South Africa. Ayikho enye country ngaphandle kwa South Africa. Even no, Mamela Sibone. Mamela, I want to tell you something. Mamela, ukila wase Mozambique. Akazi next. Simtshela nge-South Africa.
How many countries in South Africa?
Mamela.
Okay, mina ngwaseMozambique. Mina ngwaseMozambique. Vumelana nawe angithi
waseMozambique. Mamela. Wow. Mamela. Ngiyakutshela waseMozambique lo muntu. Ningamnaki uyagula akadlanga amaphilisi. Ukhila waseMozambique utshela umuntu waseSouth Africa. Mamela ngisakhuluma ke mina umuntu waseSouth Africa. Mamela ngisakhuluma.
Okay, it's imuz.
Mama ngizokutshela ngizokutshela ngama province angaphakathi. Yabona iKZN. iKZN.
Sure, that is.
It closer than Lesotho. Free State it closer than Lesotho. Eastern Cape it closer than Lesotho. Ingaphakathi wala amaprovince angakhe
Mpumalanga it closer than Mozambique.
Mama ngitshela ngamaprovince
Mpumalanga it closer than Mozambique. Nelimpopo closer than Mozambique. Asikhulumela udako ngikhulumela utwala.
Mamela asikhulumi ngani?
No.
Mamela Sibo. Asikhulumi ukhuluma ngabo Limpopo. Bese ukhuluma ngani?
Uthi closer than. Lalela.
Ukhuluma
hayi suka la udakiwe wena. Suka udakiwe. Yemngani wami lalela ngikutshela. Ima before you vala. Lalela mfana kithi. Ayikho country engekho eceleni kwe-province enye country. You understand? Ayikho. wonke ama-country abaceleni kwamanye ama-province phela uma bathi i-province le phelela la kuqala eLesotho obvious sekuqala enye indawo uma ngabe kuqala iZimbabwe obvious kunelentuzana angandathanda lapho but akikho lapho
makunebhoda
mfana kithi uzosilazisa bazothi ama-Kaizer Chiefs fan ayahlanya kanti wohlanyana uma kancane lalela mfana kithi mfana kithi uyabona u-Ox mfethu umthetho uphakamisile bafethu ngithi congratulations
fana sesko
hayi mfana kithi
fana sesko
yo hayi lentwana iyadlala ubheka bomdu shabalala udlalela kamnandi lo mfana ucele mfethu yabona kahle iKaizer Chiefs Sithibo yo itadaba uyayazi le ngoma Sithibo le yima masinyane nje before bathe ngina 2 minutes yima ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi uyayazi na le ngoma
utropile
ungangitsheli ngokudropa wena man uzazongibambelele man le ngoma
yake njalo
yizwa ndo ivuleleni yanqonqoza ivuleleni yanqonqoza ivuleleni yanqonqoza ivule ngithi yo vulela iKaizer yanqonqoza hey guys hey my friend iKaizer Chiefs idlaya man hey bafile hey bafile hey badlele man hey bafile vulela iKaizer Chiefs izothatha amakhawa
Killer.